I'm Dr. Majed Jaber, a medical doctor volunteering here at the European Gaza Hospital. For the past 16 months, I've witnessed the impact of the Israelis' attacks on Palestinian people here in Gaza. When I started to volunteer in October 2023, I knew I couldn't just stand by. My mission is to help, to heal, and to stand with my people during these darkest of times. Every day is a struggle, not just to treat the injuries and illness caused by Israel over the course of more than 15 months of genocide, but also to navigate the challenges we face. A few weeks ago, I was called to examine a group of Palestinian men and women who Israel held captive in North Gaza for more than 30 days. Their stories of physical and psychological abuse they endured are beyond anything I can put to words. Sadly, this is a recurring theme. Palestinian captives returning home broken in both body and in spirit. The lack of resources make our work even more difficult, but we continue to push through because saving lives is all that matters. Doing rounds early in the morning is always a challenge, especially when the hospital is severely understaffed. There are barely enough doctors to handle the workload. Throughout the day, I'm responsible for taking care of more than 40 patients, working the ER, admitting new cases, countless medical emergencies. The physical and mental exhaustion is overwhelming, but we do what we can. Recently, we had a patient with a brain hemorrhage. The old CT machine barely worked, but we had to make it take a proper image to understand the extent of the hemorrhage inside. We had a patient recently who needed urgent dialysis after suffering kidney failure due to severe internal bleeding. But the dialysis machine at European Gaza Hospital wasn't working, and we have no access to a replacement. And with time running out, we had no choice but to stabilize the patient as best as we could and rush them to Nasser Hospital. Even that journey was a dangerous mission. The bullet holes in our ambulance windows remind us of the constant threats we faced. And yet, we kept pushing forward because we have no other choice. Amidst all this suffering, healthcare workers continue to show incredible and unwavering resilience. We continue to fight, not just for our survival, but for the future of our people. The world needs to see this reality. The pain of the Palestinian people is a humanity's pain, and we cannot endure it alone. Your support, your voice, and your action are needed now more than ever.